What's up, guys? Hello, this is video.
Oh, hello.
Hey guys.
Hello, Mr. Steady Hands.
You like the new bike?
Ganda. Hindi to kailangan ng gimbal eh. This is stuff. Hold steady.
Sexy. Chill. And press this. Welcome, guys. Ta-da! So, this is my room now. I'm in Phuket, Thailand. Basic drives, don't forget to back up. And I work on Final Cut right there. My Mac. And of course, I got a jacuzzi. Thank you, guys. Got a message. This one, a bathroom, bathtub, shower.
One look at the Moto Guzzi V85 TT is a classic enduro motorcycle that is without a doubt made by Moto Guzzi in Italy. Moto Guzzi is traditionally known for its standard-looking handmade motorcycles. It is the oldest Italian manufacturer in continuous production. I've been riding the V85 TT for the past 300 plus kilometers, and as I put it in its spaces as an adventure and touring motorcycle, it's been a great treat to ride it with other journalists in Phuket, Thailand. If you've seen my past Moto Guzzi reviews, you know that I really like their products. But before we dive in, I'm reviewing a media test bike under the supervision of the Italians from Moto Guzzi. I've been sent by Bikerbox, flown in from Manila to Thailand to ride this new bike, and I've been pampered all the way in this beautiful Moto Guzzi hospitality. I'm here in Phuket, Thailand. This is a Baba Beach Club. Bikerbox invited me, super nice hotel. Today we're gonna test the new Moto Guzzi V85 TT motorcycle. It's a new adventure motorcycle. I'm excited to ride it.
Wala ribbon ko. Mamahalin, leading kaya po.
It's been ridden only in open roads in a group, and I plan to ride it more in the Philippines once I get my hands on a local unit. Okay, now that's out of the way, let's get into it. The Moto Guzzi V85 TT is literally a tank of a bike. First look at this bad boy and you'll immediately notice its sexy, fat steel trolley structure. It's like a fucking roll cage on a bike. It's got a super solid chassis, a low seat height, and a giant 23-liter petrol tank. It's beautiful and it's really well built. The V85 TT weighs 220 kilos wet, or about 480 pounds. The seat height is perfect for Asians. 830mm adjustable. It's easy to mount on the bike, no problem with getting my feet down the traffic. I'm 5'9" height, 100 kilos, and I feel comfortable with the bike. You'll instantly notice the well-designed TFT LCD display. It automatically switches between day mode and night mode, It has all the information including 3 riding modes: rain, road, and off-road. First time I rode the V85, I was very happy with the engine. The acceleration, it's insanely smooth and powerful. The side-to-side movement is balanced and unique. If you have ridden a Moto Guzzi before, you know exactly what I mean. If you haven't, you know that this bike is probably the most chill big bike you're ever gonna ride. It's easy to ride even if you're a beginner. Plus, it's easy to look cool on an Italian bike. The V85 TT, like all the recent models, has a transverse cooled 90-degree V-twin. The all-new lightweight 853cc engine kicks out about 80 horsepower at 5,000 RPM. It has titanium valves and a new crankcase design. The new power unit will be the base engine for upcoming new Moto Guzzi motorcycles. The V85 has a propeller shaft. It's solid and rugged, but Moto Guzzi has tuned this bike with insanely smooth power delivery. I clicked it that first year. I noticed the bike is gentle. Off the clutch, it will never throw you away. This bike is 6-speed transmission. As I clicked it to second, third, fourth gear, I immediately noticed the power. It's a big bike, and it can give you speed with just a twist of a throttle. The braking is twin-disc Brembo front and rear. It comes with ABS. The Moto Guzzi V85 TT comes in 2 variants. The Grigio version, or the gray, comes with Menzeler 2-Runs Next tires. And the more off-road focused versions, the Giallo Sahara and the Rosso Kalahari, comes in Michelin Anarchy Adventure tires. Both variants come in 19-inch front and 17-inch rear. The headlights are all LED with distinct DRL light in the middle. It looks like Batman, but it's not. It's an eagle, the logo of Moto Guzzi. Guzzi has got things right away in this V85 TT. It sticks well in a line and changes direction easily. It loves to lean in twisty roads. Off-road, bumpy roads, this bike feels at home. I haven't brought it to top speed, but it can easily go 160 kilometers an hour in one stretch. I've ridden the V85 TT up the mountains, down the beach, into the forest, highways, and a couple of river crossings in just one tank with a lot of fuel left. The giant 23-liter fuel tank has a 400-kilometer range, but it feels very slim to the legs. Unless you travel overnight, you probably won't run out of gas in just one run. So what are my personal thoughts of the V85 TT? It's incredibly built, it's fun to ride, very comfortable, and built like a tank. It's made in Italy, the looks are timeless, and it will last you way longer. You can buy the Moto Guzzi V85 TT from Bikerbox because they're the official importers of Moto Guzzi. They're also the authorized service center. So do I prefer this bike over other adventure bikes? Maybe yes. It is high-tech, but riding it is very damn simple. It's not exactly an adventure bike, touring, or a scrambler. Moto Guzzi calls this a classic enduro. So if you want a bike you can ride until the last drop of fuel or until the roads run out, this bike is for you. Like what I've said, this motorcycle will outlast you. The Moto Guzzi V85 TT is a keeper.